Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a text box using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor and click on this home option, and here you will find this edit option and select text. Now click on this text box and active. Firstly, I'll show you how to change this text box font size, and here you can change this text box font size. You can increase this top area, you can increase right, left area, and also you can rotate these text boxes. See this is 100, and double click on this text box. You can edit any text, you can remove, you can add new text. Also you can change this text font size. Click on this format option. This font size you can increase, decrease, you can add custom font size, you can align, you can make it bold, italic. Also you can change text color. See this. In this you can edit your text box. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.